lies in the tropical belt. India lies in the tropical belt. B-E-L-T. And in bracket write, Tropic of Cancer passing through the center. Tropic of Cancer passing through the center. India has a tropical climate, and why is it called a tropical climate? It is because the Tropic of Cancer passes through India, so it lies in the tropical belt. The second point is, why is it called monsoon now? The second point is, climate is influenced by monsoon winds. The climate is influenced by monsoon winds. So why is, once again I'm repeating, why is the climate of India called as tropical monsoon type of climate? Before I give you these notes, let me tell you one more thing, that whenever you get the questions either in the boards or in the half yearlies or finals, the notes which are given to you, the questions are based on these notes only. That is, if you are writing something, you may have a question like, what type of climate India has and why? So these are the two reasons of it. Now, what are the characteristics of Indian climate? Give the heading now. Characteristics of Indian climate. Have you given the heading? Now, I would ask one of you, Arya Tiwari, India. Are you able to hear my question? Arya Tiwari. Krish Lalwani, what's your question? Krish?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clear due to Arya Tiwari's mic is on.
Okay, right. Let me. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Trish, okay. Now, Trish, since you have raised your hand, I want to ask you a question. You live in India, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, just tell me, what type of climate do you experience? Like, if I say climate, what are the two things that we think are come under the climate? If you have to describe climate of an area, what are the two things that come under the climate? Two basic things. किसी भी जगह की क्लाइमेट को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए तुम सबसे पहले क्या बताओगे उस जगह के बारे में? वहाँ का क्या?
मैम, the location of that area.
Location. क्लाइमेट के बारे में.
मैम.
क्लाइमेट. I'll tell you. क्लाइमेट के बारे में बताने के लिए दो चीज जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होती है वो होती है टेम्परेचर एंड रेनफॉल. What are the two things?
टेम्परेचर एंड रेनफॉल.
अगर तुमसे पूछा जाए कि आज यहाँ का क्या आज का वेदर कंडीशंस क्या है, तो तुम कहोगे आज दिन थोड़ा गर्म है, ह्यूमिडिटी है, मतलब थोड़ा सा उसमें ह्यूमिडिटी भी है. या फिर तुम ये कह सकते हो कि आज बहुत ठंड है, इट्स वेरी कोल्ड हियर, आइदर इट्स वेरी हॉट. सेकंड थिंग यू कैन से, second thing is what? Precipitation or rainfall. That is, either it is raining or it is dry. Low winds are blowing, or it's very hot and low winds are dry area, or it is hot with humidity, or it is cold and dry, or it is raining and cloudy. These are the things by which we describe the climate of. Yes, Shashwat?
Okay, ma'am.
Shashwat? What's your wish?
Ma'am, can you please repeat India lies in tropical belt, ma'am? My network is weak, so I can't hear.
What do you want? India has?
India lies in the tropical belt, after which you have said. Can you please repeat?
I will send you the notes, don't worry. Shashwat, I'll send you the notes, okay? Don't worry. Now, you have to write what? Characteristics of Indian climate. Acha, I'm unmuting all for a moment, but relatively high point two, distinct wet and dry seasons. Distinct, DISTINCT, distinct wet and dry seasons. Point three, unique, UNIQUE, unique climatic contrasts. Unique climatic contrasts from north to south. Due to the presence of Himalayas in the north and the presence of water bodies in the south. And the presence of water bodies in the south. What happened, Devesh?
Ma'am, please repeat once again.
Okay. Point one, characteristics of Indian climate you are writing under the heading characteristics of Indian climate. The first point was relatively high temperature. Point two, distinct wet and dry seasons. Unique climatic contrasts, CONTRASTS, from north to south. Due to the presence of Himalayas in the north and the presence of water bodies in the south. What happened, Krish?
Ma'am, somebody is giving abuses in the chat. Ma'am, read me.
I'll remove him from that. Redmi right now is not there. I have asked him to rename. I have asked Redmi to rename. Right now it's not there. Is it okay now? Is it okay? Vedang, what's your question? Vedang.
Ma'am, can you repeat the third point? Unique. Sorry, ma'am. Second point. Distinct wet and dry
Seasons.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now write the fourth point. Devesh, I'll be coming to you. Just write the fourth point first. Seasonal reversal of monsoon winds seasonal reversal, REVERSAL, seasonal reversal of monsoon winds, comma, their direction and intensity direction and intensity which greatly affects the Indian landmass, which greatly affects the Indian landmass. So after writing this, Vedang, you have a question? Vedang.
No, ma'am.
So why is it's written 2 there? Why? Yes, Devesh? Devesh?
I mean, the third point after present of Himalayas in the north, what is?
Presence of Himalayas in the north and the presence of water bodies in the south.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now let me explain this to you. We are talking about what? The characteristics of Indian climate. So in general, when we see about India, when we what we know about India's climate is that if we compare our climate to the neighboring countries, like suppose we talk about China, which is to the north of India, we will see that India has relatively high temperature. Even though China is also in the temperate latitude and India is also in the temperate latitude. Now the northern part of India comes under the temperate zone. But China and India have different type of temperature variations because China is much more colder than India. So in India, because of the presence of Himalayas, almost all over the country we have the similar type of temperature condition. I mean, similar type of, when I say similar, it's relatively higher temperature than other countries. Second thing is that it has distinct wet and dry season. We all know this, that we get rainfall even only after the summer season, and it is for 4 months, 3 months, 2 months, depending upon where the area is. And winters are generally dry all over the country. Third point is, in spite of temperature and rainfall, we have contrast. Due to various reasons, we have contrast of climate. If we compare the climate of Rajasthan with Bihar or West Bengal, if we compare the climate of Kerala with Jammu and Kashmir, if we compare the climate of Delhi with even Maharashtra, you will find various changes in the climate, the temperature as well as the rainfall. So this, and what are these climatic contrasts due to? They are due to, first of all, the presence of Himalayas, and secondly, the presence of the water bodies which are found in the south. That greatly influences the climate of India. Apart from all these things, we have the monsoon winds, and we will, in the later part of the chapter, I'll be explaining to you what are monsoon winds and how are they caused and all. You have studied about them in class 9th also. Monsoon winds, they are periodic winds. They blow in a particular direction in a particular period, and summer monsoons are rain winds and winter monsoons are dry winds. This you have studied in class 9th also, and you have to just recapitulate all those things. So this was about the characteristics of Indian climate. And then write the next heading, regional variation in climate. Next heading, regional variation in climate. Right? In spite of India having tropical monsoon type of climate, comma, regional diversities, regional, regional, regional diversities are observed all over the country expressed in patterns PATTERNS in patterns of temperature, comma, winds, comma, rainfall, in patterns of temperature, winds, rainfall, etc. Now write the heading temperature. Right under that, both seasonal and daily variations, both seasonal and daily variations in temperature can be observed from one region to another. Once again, I'm repeating. Under the heading temperature, write both seasonal and daily variations in temperature can be observed from one region to another. Under that, write point 1 now. Under temperature, write point 1. Places north of Tropic of Cancer, places north of Tropic of Cancer experience continental climate. Yes, Devesh? Yes, Devesh?
Ma'am, we have to write temperature heading, then under that we have to write.
Yes, temperature was the heading. After writing that there are variations in temperature, winds and rainfall, you have given temperature as a heading. Then you have written that both seasonal and daily variations in temperature can be observed from one region to another, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have written point 1. Places north of Tropic of Cancer experience continental climate. That is, you know the sign of that is, i.e. very hot during summer. That is, very hot during summer and very cold during winter. Very hot during summers and very cold for example, Rajasthan may record a temperature of,
I mean, same point.
yes, same point example. Rajasthan may record temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius during summer गुलमर्ग और पहलगाम, गुलमर्ग और पहलगाम, PAHALGAM, पहलगाम में रिकॉर्ड 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस फुल स्टॉप। कारगिल, कारगिल KARGIL, कारगिल has -40 degree Celsius temperature during winters. Kargil has -40 degree Celsius temperature during winters.
Ma'am, remove the option everyone in the chat because they're continuously chatting.
अच्छा, एक मिनट।
Ma'am, put only school teacher that they can message you on.
I will let me. Point 2 of temperature. Till now we have been writing about places which are north of Tropic of Cancer. What type of climate do they experience? What temperature do they experience? But let us now write about the places below the Tropic of Cancer. So write second point, places south of Tropic of Cancer Tropic of Cancer has oceanic climate. Oceanic, 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 oceanic climate where the annual range of temperature is between 5 to 8 degrees Celsius for example, in Kerala. Samriddhi Gupta, what's your problem? Gaurangi?
The point after Pahalgam.
It will be too much. Beta, it will be too much. I will be giving you the notes. Otherwise, I'll not be able to complete it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll repeat it fast if you want. That Pahalgam and Gulmarg may record a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius, while Kargil records a temperature of -40 degrees Celsius during winters.
Yes.
And then places south of Tropic of Cancer has oceanic type of climate, where the annual range of temperature is 5 to 8 degrees Celsius. In bracket write in Kerala. Yes, Saurabh, raise your hand. What's the problem? Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh, you have raised your hand. Any problem? Okay. Next, write precipitation. Give the heading precipitation. Give the heading precipitation. Precipitation means rainfall. Now write variation in seasonal distribution of rainfall. Variation in seasonal distribution of rainfall is experienced all over the country. Yes, Rish?
Ma'am, last you have said in Kerala. After that, you have not given any point. I mean, it is the
No,
last.
after that, there were 2 points only for temperature. And now you have to write the next heading, precipitation. I told you that only, na? After Kerala.
Yes, ma'am. In
Next
Kerala.
heading is precipitation.
Yes, ma'am.
And in precipitation, you have written variation in seasonal. Have you written or not?
Yes, ma'am. I have written till rainfall.
Distribution of rainfall is experienced all over the country. Once again, I'm telling you, after you have written 2 points of temperature variations, now you have to write up the precipitation. And precipitation, you have written that variation in seasonal distribution of rainfall is experienced all over the country. Now write the first point under precipitation. These are actually the examples. How there is variation. These are examples. Point 1. Cherrapunji. 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 And Mohsin Ram. MAWSYNRAM. Sneha, what's your question?
Ma'am, above precipitation in second point, after you have said that temperature is between 5 to 8 degrees Celsius in bracket in ma'am, after that you said for example, after that you have not said anything. Ma'am, what we will write an example?
What? No, Kerala is the example. In Kerala, that was the second.
Okay.
मतलब the example. Kerala में जैसे कि Kerala is one example of where the temperature can be 5 to 8 degrees Celsius. Since Kerala is located near the coast, okay, and it experiences oceanic type of climate. Then I hope you have written the heading, precipitation. Now right, in this, you have written Cherrapunji and Mohsin Ram. MAWSYNRAM. In Meghalaya, receive more than 1100, that is 1100 centimeters of rainfall, while Jaisalmer, J capital, then AISALMER, Jaisalmer, JAISALMER, in Rajasthan, gets hardly 9 centimeters. Gets hardly 9 centimeters. I hope this point is clear, that we are talking about what? Variation in precipitation in India. The first point we said that in Cherrapunji and Mohsin Ram, which are located in Meghalaya, they receive plenty of rainfall. Actually, Mohsin Ram is the world's highest rainfall recording region. And in the same latitude, if you move toward the west, in Rajasthan, the rainfall is hardly 9 centimeter. and you know that it is a desert. So this much of variation can be found in rainfall in India. Now write the second point. Under rain precipitation only, second point is the western coast, C-O-A-S-T, coast, receives maximum rainfall during summer. The western coast receives maximum rainfall during summer, whereas the eastern coast in the same latitudes receive winter rainfall. Once again, I'm repeating. The western coast, this is the second point of precipitation. The western coast receives maximum rainfall during summer, whereas the eastern coast in the same latitude receives winter rains. After this, this way you can see the rainfall. If I'll tell you in other words, just for your, you must be knowing also, like right now, if you think about Mumbai, like the starting of May, Mumbai and Kerala, Mumbai and the western coast, they are all located on the western coast. They will receive plenty of rainfall during this summer season. But if you talk about Chennai, that is located on the eastern coast. Chennai is located on the southeastern part of India, on the coast, and that receives rainfall during winter. So this way we see that the entire India gets different, not different amount of rainfall, also it gets a different rainfall in different seasons, depending upon so many other things. So what are they depending upon? They are depending upon the factors which affect the climate of India. So our next heading will be factors affecting climate of India. Factors affecting climate of India. Okay, you have a question now?
Yes, sir. How can it be possible that on the same latitude they are located and have a different type of climate?
That is what we are talking about. This is how the variations of climate are there in India. So let me, this is just the beginning of it now. Acha, you tell me, what type of temperatures are experienced in Himalayas?
Ma'am, cold.
Cold, okay. Do you experience the same cold? Do you have ever any time you have the snowfall?
No.
No. So there are different parts of India which experience different type of climatic conditions. It all depends upon where you are located, which type of winds are blowing, not only latitude but also altitude, and the blowing of the winds. There are so many, and that is what we are going to discuss now under the heading factors affecting climate of India. Can you write that now? The heading factors affecting the climate of India. Now here one thing is important before we move on. Most of the students, I saw you were complaining about eyes, that all the time you have to look into the copies or the mobile and then you have to write the notes. So I was wondering what to do. So let me have one class like that and one class, and those who are missing this class due to network problem, they can write the notes. I have no option. But the only thing is, I want to explain also as well as give you notes so that next time, you don't have to write anything after this. After once you write it in your notes copy now, this will be final. So just a help from my side. I do not know how much it is helping you now. So factors affecting area, distance and direction, which are in the second term. There are questions given in the survey, in your book, regarding survey maps. Survey maps are given at the back of the book, and there are questions, I think there are 6 or 8 questions given to you, which have been asked in different years. And those questions, you can yourself do it, solve.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, with the help of survey sheets which are given at the back, you can solve that. That will be practicing. And in between, though we have started India now, in between, if you have any questions regarding survey map or anything that you are doing while practicing, you may ask any question anytime. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Vedang?
Ma'am,
Vedang.
the geography copy register will be a long register like 9.
You're बहुत जल्दी पूछ लिया तुमने. किसी ने कल पूछा था कि मैम केमिस्ट्री में जैसे बनाते हैं वैसा बनाना है. हमने कहा हमें क्या पता केमिस्ट्री में कैसे बनाते हैं. हमें ये पता है लॉन्ग रजिस्टर जो होते हैं. I'll show you a picture of it. I'll send you a picture. But अभी तो इतना नोट्स लिखने के बाद तुम पूछ रहे हो. Are you writing in rough or what?
Yes,
If you're
ma'am.
writing these notes in rough, just let me tell you something, children. If you write the notes, I'm dictating. My time is being wasted. In place of it, I can only explain and give you notes in copy. But the thing is, if you're writing right now in your rough copy, it's a waste of time for you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Arsh, your question. Arsh.
Ma'am, temperature, in the second point, we have written that the annual temperature is 5 to 8 degrees centigrade. But how is it possible that it is 5 to 8 only? The average temperature is 57 degrees Celsius in the southern part of India.
Wait. We are talking about annual range of temperature, not annual temperature. Range of temperature, you know what it means? It is a difference between the summer and winter temperature. Like in Kerala, throughout the year, they have higher temperatures only, right? So in summer, the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, and winter, the temperature can be 27 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
So what is the difference between them? Are you understanding my point? We are not talking about the temperature. We are talking about the range of temperature. That is the temperature in Kerala or in any southern part of India which is located near the coast. The temperature will vary in between 27, 25 to 32 degrees Celsius. That's all. But if you talk about north, we also experience it in Varanasi. Summer temperature goes to 45, 46 degrees Celsius and winter temperature falls to 6 degrees Celsius. So the range of temperature becomes how much? 40 degrees. 40 degrees Celsius. If 46 and 6. So what will be the range of temperature? 40 degrees Celsius. So in the northern part of India, we have continental type of climate, and because of that we experience such great ranges of temperature, and in the southern part we have less range of temperature. That is the point.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question? Any other question? Okay. Moving on to factors affecting climate of India. The first factor is, underline the heading, first factor is vast latitudinal extent. Pratham Lalwani, can I see you? Can you raise your hand? Pratham Lalwani. Can you raise your hand? Okay. I thought you're not there only today. Are you clear with everything? Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratham, you have no questions today to ask?
I'm getting everything.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Okay, now write the first point under the factors affecting climate. First is vast latitudinal extent. Vast latitudinal extent. EXTENT. Under this heading, write India extends from, please write faster, we have only 10 minutes left now. Now only 6 to 7 minutes, write fast. India extends from 8° north to 37° north of the equator. In latitudes, with the Tropic of Cancer, with the Tropic of Cancer Rashmi, what's your question? Fast. Rashmi.
Ma'am, can you repeat this point?
I'm not okay. India starting means vast latitudinal extent. Now this is the first point.
Yes, ma'am.
Under this point, under this heading, you have to write India extends from 8° north to 37° north of the equator.
Yes, ma'am.
With the Tropic of Cancer passing almost from the center of the country. Almost from the center of the country. Yes, Shlok, what happened? Shlok. Shlok, you have a question or not? Please write. It means that the northern part of India, it means that the northern part of India lies in the temperate zone, while the southern part lies in the torrid, TORRIT, torrid zone. Second factor, Himalayas. Right? Right? The Himalayas act as a climatic barrier. The Himalayas act as a climatic barrier separating Indian subcontinent from the rest of Asia. I know some of you are having question, but I have only 3 minutes. I have to complete this point. Let me complete and then I'll talk to you. Under this, write point 1. What are the 3 ways in which Himalayas affect the climate of India? Write point 1. It prevents the cold Siberian winds. It prevents the cold Siberian winds to enter India from north, during winters. It prevents the cold Siberian winds to enter India from north during winters. Point 2. During summers, they force the moisture-laden southwest monsoon winds to shed their moisture to shed their moisture south of Himalayas. The last point is, third point, without the Himalayas, India would have been a cold desert. Without the Himalayas, India would have been a cold desert. I close my point here. We'll discuss about it later. This is already 1:54. I can give you one more point fast till our meeting is not closed. Third point is altitude. 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 Altitude is the height of a place above sea level. Right? Since the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius, since the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters, with increase in height, 165 meters increase in height, comma, the mountains are colder, the mountains are colder than plains. Yes, Bobby. Bobby, what's your question?
After Indian subcontinent from the rest of what you have told,
What?
in Himalayas, the Himalayas acts as a climate barrier separating Indian subcontinent from the
From the rest of Asia. Rest of Asia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now write complete altitude first, fast. You have written that that is why mountains are colder than plains, right? This is why Shimla, located at a higher altitude, is colder than Delhi, during summer. That's the last point. We will be discussing about rest of the topics later. Okay, this is not the end. There are more factors to come, so we'll be talking about later. Any question? Kartikeya? Yes, Rashmi Pandey. Question?
No, ma'am.
Swati Singh. Any question? Swati Singh.
A vast latitude extend in that
Vast latitudinal extent,
from here, surpassing almost from the center of the country.
Yes. This means that the northern part of India lies in the temperate zone, while the southern lies in the torrid zone. Any question? After that, nothing. Then you have to write Himalayas. Yes, Devesh?
Ma'am, for notes I am using a normal register like we have made in 9th. That only we have to make, na?
if you have no other option, I can't do. Actually, I have written in the very beginning when I gave the instructions, I asked you to make a long copy for, long means a big, broader one, na? Broader register for India. Because you have to paste maths and all. Otherwise, it's okay. Whenever you're writing, note should be written always in the fair copy. Cover it nicely and all. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If you're writing, if you're not getting, this is not the time that I can ask, I can be very choosy. Okay. Yes, Gaurangi? Gaurangi, what's your problem?
Ma'am, in Himalayas, the third point was without the Himalayas, India would.
Have been. India would have been a cold desert.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Rashmi Pandey. Rashmi Pandey.
And she has forgot to lower her hand.
It's okay, it's okay.
Can we leave now?
Yes, yes, please, please.
Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay.